This is the query processing architecture module, and we are discussing when a query is passed to the relational data engine, how the query is processed by this relational database engine. And we have studied in the last video when the query is executed, the query is executed by this engine, that the executor will apply some mode to execute the query. So this mode can be a execution mode or a batch execution mode. And now in this video we are going to discuss when this select query is passed to this engine, and this select query has some operators, how the operators in this query will be processed, what are the precedence of the operators. So the query may have the bitwise operator or arithmetic operators, or this comparison operators, or query select query may have the logical operators. So bitwise operator has the highest precedence, then all others operators. First these operator will be processed, then the arithmetic operators, and the logical operator will be processed at the end. And in the logical operators we have not operator, and operator, or operators. So not is the highest priority. After not, the second highest priority is the AND operator, and at the end is the OR operator. So we will check these logical operators in the select query. Suppose this is our database, and in this database we have the products tables which contains the products of different types of different colors, and I want to apply the filter by using the logical operators. Let's see what are the items available in which colors. So I have the accessories, cabinet, furnitures, others, showers and tiles. These are the item types which available. And accessories have, there are 29 accessories which have the color cherry, and there are 501 accessories which have other colors, and 369 accessories have the white colors. And same, if I'm going to check the furniture, there are 8 furniture types which have the bronze color, and 49 furniture types have the cherry color, and there are 3 furnitures have the other color, and 19 kinds of the furnitures have white colors. So now I'm going to make a scenario to apply the logical operators. For example, uh, I want to check all those furnitures which have the white color or cherry color. So I want to filter the furniture with the color white or cherry from this product table. So I will write the query, select historic from products, where item type is equal to furniture and color is white or color is cherry. So if I will write the query like this one, then this query, what it will it will do, because AND is the highest precedence than the OR. So AND is more priority than the OR, so AND will be executed first. And when AND will be executed, the query, what it will do, it will, the engine will filter this one, all the items which have the type furniture. It will filter the items furniture and color is equal to white, and in this furniture it will filter only the white colors. And then the R will be processed, and in the R color is equal to cherry. So the color cherry, it will check all the products which have the color cherry. So it will give me the furniture with the white colors and cherry color for all the products. So it will not fulfill my criteria like this one. Furnitures are coming with the white colors, and now the cherry furniture with cherry color are also coming, and the cherry color for, I see there's the accessory is also coming which have the cherry color, because of this logical operator precedence. So this query I have written in the right, but it's not giving the result according to the my requirement. So if I will do little bit makeup for this query, and I will use the parenthesis, This parenthesis will make the query more readable and it will change the precedence also. So when I'm using the parenthesis, that with the color white or color cherry, so I will write this in the parenthesis. This parenthesis will change the precedence. So now the or this parenthesis will be executed first, and it will filter all the products which have the white color and the cherry color. Then after that the AND operator will be processed, and with all the colors which already filtered for white and cherry, then from these white and cherry colors, with this AND operator, it will filter only the furnitures, item furniture with white or cherry. So it will give my required data which I need. So now only the furnitures are coming with the white and cherry color. So by using the parenthesis, the precedence value of the logical operator is changed, and this parenthesis also make the query more readable. I can rewrite the query without using the parenthesis, which will give the same result. But this, without using the parenthesis, the query is not is user friendly. It will not more user readable as per user. So if I will use the parenthesis, it will be more easy to understand the query. So now the result is same. The item count is same. It's coming the same items. Furniture are coming with the color white and cherry. So this is the use of the logical operators, and these are the precedents of the logical operators.